like a good place to start. You'll feel it